In this SEO course video, today we will learn about what is a sitemap, how many types of sitemaps are currently there. You should know all these information because this is very important if you are doing SEO. So kindly learn with full focus and attention. And friends, this entire SEO course, blending theory and practice, it offers tips and strategies allowing you to work from beginner to advanced level and pro level. Our channel has many digital technical courses and new content is always being added. Do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything. Friends, I have an important information for you. In the name of Marketing Fundas, Money Fundas, the world's easiest and instant money making affiliate program, has arrived for you. There are links and numbers provided in description. Get the information and start earning today. So friends, let's start learning. Contact us at the provided numbers for digital marketing services, training and consultancy, or visit our website.
Hello everyone. Today in this particular video, we are going to learn about the sitemap XML file. So guys, sitemap here. What is an XML file? How many types of sitemaps? Files are there. So basically, let's understand that in detail. First, we will understand what is a sitemap and how many types of sitemaps are actually available to you and how do they look like inside your website. Okay. And how can we find a sitemap? Let's see. So first, let's understand what a sitemap is in the easiest language. What is a sitemap? So a sitemap is basically, this is the index page of your website. This is where all your URLs, which means all your pages, are mentioned. So why are they mentioned? Google crawlers, who are the internet programmers, right? The pages and the URLs mentioned are for them so that they can understand the structure of your website and also your pages, like how many pages are mentioned. In addition, how to crawl on which page, they get a structure, a path, a map, and all these facts, because of which they can very easily crawl through each page, right? So here, the next topic we have is the types of sitemap. So there are two types of sitemaps. One is actually the XML sitemap. The other is an HTML sitemap. So guys, the first thing here is an XML sitemap. Why do we have XML sitemap? The XML sitemap is for the Google crawlers and they are in a code language. And these HTML sitemaps that are present here are basically for whom? These are for the users who are humans. Okay. So first, let's look at the HTML sitemap. Let's see which type is it. This is where you will find some websites that look like this on the HTML site, right? So where it's like, you're able to see what we do here. It shows all the pages. You'll see all the pages in who we are. You'll see all the features in the contact. So these are the HTML sitemaps, right? And the other one here is XML sitemap. So the XML sitemap looks something like this. It appears like this. If you want to check the XML sitemap of any website, okay, what do you have to do? Like, this is our website, marketingfundas.com/sitemap.xml. This is your XML sitemap. So the sitemap here, this type of sitemaps are basically for Google crawlers so that they can understand your pages, like how many pages are there in total and crawl them from here, right? So guys, that's all for this video. In the upcoming videos, we'll bring such interesting topics. Until then, thank you so much.
I hope you liked this video very much. You must have learned a lot. You can tell us in the comment section if you want to get digital marketing training or digital marketing services. You can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us at the provided number. Marketing Fundas has brought the easiest affiliate program in the world for you, through which you can start earning instantly. Link is in the description. Contact us if you want to know more. Thanks for watching Marketing Funda.